Some TPT stores constantly feel urgent. There's always something to fix, to update, to create, or to respond to. And over time, that constant reactivity starts making the store feel exhausting. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've spent over 17 years building a TPT business. And one thing I know is this: strong stores usually operate intentionally. Reactive stores usually operate emotionally. Reactive stores constantly shift attention. One problem appears. Focus moves there immediately. Then another problem appears, and attention moves again. Eventually, the store starts operating through constant interruption. That creates scattered priorities, decision fatigue, operational stress, and inconsistent execution. Because reactive stores rarely create enough stability to build real momentum. Strategic stores usually operate differently. They create systems, priorities, structure, and intentional decision making. Not every problem receives equal attention, and not every task deserves immediate action. That distinction matters. When my store grew, there were constantly more things competing for my attention. And I realized reactivity was quietly draining my focus, clarity, and momentum. That forced me to start thinking much more strategically about operations and decision making. A store can look productive while still operating reactively, and reactive stores usually become much harder to scale long term. Sometimes overwhelm is not coming from a lack of effort. Sometimes it's coming from a lack of operational structure. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so you can make clear growth decisions. Now I'm curious, what feels most overwhelming in your TPT store right now? Let me know in the comments below. And in the next video, I'm going to break down why strong TPT stores track very different data than reactive stores do. I will see you in the next video.